You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for him. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Beautiful one, mighty warrior. You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for you. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Big God, bigger than my troubles, bigger than the cancer. Bigger. Big God, hey, mere words can't describe the God. Listen. If the problem is big, bigger is the solver. If the sickness is stronger, stronger is the healer. Ajumana Wakuche woman, undisputed champion, never lost a battle. Mere words can't describe the God you are. You are a big God, bigger than my trouble. Big God, too big, so that they cannot describe you. Come on. Big God, mere words can't describe the God you are. Say mere words can't describe the God you are.
That's right. Yes.
Too big, so that we cannot describe you.
His name is Kofi Pepra,
Big God,
and he calls this one Big God.
big God,
And that's the God we serve. Bringing time to 29 after 3 on 106.3 Adom FM. Good afternoon. I do believe by the grace of God you're doing fantastic. You don't have to one pen so the Adri. And then Monday, the 26th of July, 2021. Or they are check me no. Na sabri ye guso tenkwam. Moje dia frusani. Ye ko yunuma so. Ye tobi, ye tuabi, ye fribi. Na domarakwa. Life goes on as usual. But ni nyine remember referee. So be there radiase. Ebia make say pressure too sorry no pay gidi sa. Up until now, untimi can say Lord I thank you for blessing me with yet another day. You've not been able to do that. I would say take your opportunity to no, it's not too late to do it. Do it now. Baby, I will be. Just take a minute and thank God. Just tell him you are grateful. Go on and do that. Deradiase. So I shall do some pencil or dear net day. Monday the 26th of July. Acho. Nene ye can't as a phone. Also can be. Go ahead and do that, my sister. Go on and do that, my brother. The father nase. It's a sense can you know I'm coming no me no. Yo. Yan kayen sena yan fata. Yan kayen kan be. Adetina se debi on mo yan fa ma papa yi. E won ya waye dia ma ye. Fi mu nyina na de rade ase. Oh yes, danase.
you are too big.
Danase. You know, there are some people when you go this way, they go like, oh, no, even if you don't know how to pray, just open your mouth and say, Lord, I thank you. Just do that. Repeatedly, just say that and thank God. For him alone deserve this. Onipa ye bibi man na de china or expect so be can thank you now one can. I actually attitude towards you. Oh yeah. Obi ayo papa. Na ebia na yi pressure wa brabo mu nti agya refi. Where to me uncle can't thank you first thing in the morning. We are quote here. And so sana si want here. I crowd by me could the idea man. You want to be friend pon kalabadasi. Hey, you too big. How much more this life that you're living? I dare some butcher bibia was tremunya and no any kwan. Now the amawa. I then now nana say. I love what is happening on Facebook right now. I love it. And may the good Lord bless all of you. For those of you who've joined us on Facebook, I love what you're doing. Keep it coming. I'm seeing lots of good messages on Facebook. Lots of messages coming in through on Facebook. And everyone is thanking God right there. Go on and do that. I am seeing, Lord, I thank you, God. I thank you, God. I'm grateful, God. I'm happy. A lot of them on Facebook. May God bless all of you. Baby, I will be also with me joining in right now. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Also, just type something and thank God. Go on and do that and thank God for how far He has brought you. I was your friend Jerry Justice. Media Ofie Kwanso. If you sabe kopim sebe bon menusia. Yes, inkunya. Ya di jumedi Abraham. Unim dada enche bia the videos of our time ebe to also. And until me invite you say join me on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Ubo remu ope. I will share the video with you. And the video now me no babe channel. The video is dangerous video. Yes. Video no dangerous. Now if me no me nu na. In fact, we all need to be careful. And you see, we I don't know how to put this. Se nyame ka ho na odomo na odo kodo ba. Ese so de rade ase. Na se nyame ka ho na unya bibidi. O men, o da na o sori na o how bia ma ho a. De rade ase. Because sometimes enya wo fault, through no fault of yours. You can consume something, and out of that, and out of that, you can die. Right there, no, on yare now, no. But you see, we are all not the same. Our immune system, no, the strength of my immune system, and also there. So we cannot go to a particular party. We will eat the same food. I'll be all right. But AB and or coming home will not be all right. We all go for an event. We all drink the same drink. My friends will be okay, but maybe I will suffer. Now I saw this video and I was like, Jesus Christ. I have said it here before and I'll continue to say this. Say nyame or kase onye nipa hwe wajaye pamaye o asutwe bia obibia o mumu he yan kase ye be say ewiase we will destroy this world. Our abra yen mu kwa nyame fa so obo ni wiase ye be say ewiase enipa yan kasa and ade a ekoso no it is dangerous. I need you to join me on Facebook. Ode bana wan kasa be hwe wani so ade de onipa dasani eye onim sa ade a oye enye ebe pranu nua nanso sikani brenti na odasani eye adro bi aba okuremu adro ne good ba ebo adwuma bruta na the demand for sa adro no pese me bodin e serious. Until the other day na me ne adwuma no panifon edim komo, and I was telling them say, you know what, mama say ade yaye say ntino enye gidigidi na mo nye say mo ya na da bi mu distributors kakra bi na mo ye trusted na mo ni mo no omo ana mo nkoso nyom ye adwuma na mo nye ne kakra sa na mo ntimi maintain ade yi na emwa Ghana for anye saa. My fear is that the way this product is good and hwe yi amount for say demand na amount for akọ hye baabi o kire bi no mo twa bi agum e de akoma nkrofo obekọhwe na enye papa na DS obi num nyankwa no na fi nkrofo kọ no awu na mo de asay business no kind of ajay waka sem pao na mzebi mo nkrofo na mo ne omo yedum omo apa the trusted distributors na mo omo apa amount for kọ na asa there's a train afoforo bi ba said the beya obi ntimi fi baby enye bi nsan fa nkomo obi o baby foforo so nton this say catch all the outlets no Tony na say omo e wasan potemwa it is only this distributor in the bit media pharmacies no more ton o kompotemwa so only this distributor it is from you to that distributor to the pharmacies aside that pharmacy be anyone more so accept product from any other distributor are only certified by you. So Jerry, what can say we have to go by this because man is very 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 wicked, and I pray that in Crawford out of greed into omutimi ya there a omunim say e promu nua no mo ye no nyame be ankasa be twe saa fo na so ba ko mako video ama me ho adwimi o me ho adwimi but ye onyame ni nyina mu no ese ma ni down ya hwe borrow mu on Facebook me no ba be che video ni sa sisi a but before we do that no abusua sisi enra man panika sai sembibri ni ade enya no ho asem na mbeka wa hotel di okan no sisi baby ade na du no wodi wani tu obi so enye yie wa for abrabon hye wa wonsem na wa bo ho ban ensa wo ni ade ne enkoso a mo a mo hwe on Facebook za ese mensa ho apa fita ni ade a ensa wo nko a o enti gwagu a me desra na akura firi mensa ho ma ne ma wo mensa be di ho sisi a me ba mensa wo bi and I'm about my face mask pampi update. I don't know. Live boy hand liquid your friends hand washing liquid. Oh, come up live boy hand wash liquid. Yeah, when you be a boy yipa it didn't me de frafra. Live boy liquid hand wash and hand washing liquid. They said the TB and live boy pebi. You sound pie no be an am there room sounds easy. Obo say even cry cream out there sound now cry be film sound a tone sound come pa now so no you're very gentle on your skin and hair to skin or said your skin type TBR no it will be protected come pa you want it total and you want a herbal total no color near red and we be washes is here and a herbal no a green on sakabi now the active silver ingredient no ebwa ammonia superior protection against all germs yet very gentle on your skin like I said earlier TPBH crime now about 10 times better germ protection than any other one on the market available shops and stores and supermarkets pharmacies neighborhood shops na emu ma onsa enka odie afeti oka na o yusu na de okone de oba wan hwe a maka na ntimi anyina yi a ebeje wasi kwantin fin ade ya pa ne se nsuo bi to na ka say oh in the middle of nowhere waso be hye pa ti all the time maintenance there menye wasem hia and they auto fast aba e de amagana for na ye can auto fast away a new name ye ne apie a ban of vehicle servicing and maintenance odimu akotene pa akonya na ba se obetimi atreat eye o car no to a world class servicing and maintenance papa ewo auto fast we a new ultra modern service center Liberation Road total service station no obeba na ho very soon ye bie ba ko achi motor and afa Tema Hospital Road ye honso ba ye betwa service no dia ma correct pa and you can say car bia car type bia make ni brand bia ni na isiesie kama e de ma tie ni obetimi aba car air conditioning service near the or tie near the battery strand they can brake parts out or changing of oil on the bibia you better correct the amount plus near the na weaker bibia best at the amount your charges also there A1 Oko baby the shoot him say kum aha boko botum besoso ne a service e de ama kama pa ti bibia ni a na wakai auto fast na ya service o kana maintain kama de ama abusia awia ne boy ginam e ba say ade odi cool down no e Puma drinks yes say e cooler and na orange e be boy adwuma no correct pa e de ama 150 pesos per na on our send they are available in major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door partner phrase 0262 351 251. Nation is the way another quality product if you casa precon company limited. Now make us say FD I mushi muaja to muse a and I know na make say a more year duani be obi etimi no bi but one years I duani be timi egu anymore because now class only duani no because opese e mono kama na eyi baako se de entumumu eno na wanhwe yi abanu awi na ewensen ode kawa no enka obi beka se mo na ame na wato ye na opese bin yi nso na wanhwe yi ade nso no wono de woni beba wons na ese pacha na tu abum se wutwimfa nya mutuo so onye ndan yo na fi aboso and they fortune rice we use our rice we dey prepare any rice dish bia abusun ko yi because fortune rice no they require just a little amount of water nsuo kakra bi eno abe balance amemo na be correct enya wensen te se de emenye no eno so be yi baako enka bom enye tim te se de wo de kotwi mutu no ti pebi a chia kwan na any rice dish be a person o prepare bia no wo de aron kama pa yo mu nchichi bebe ye wo fortune classic ho eno no ahosuo no ye green and your fortune delight and only orange and our fortune delicious the pack no air red tiano PBH shakwan fortune rice always on point just like mom after abusia by kind courtesy aquatab share and videos of our time na medical catch us a video no amami ho adwimi na meyemu so ahyehye me pa tibomodin so be room on Facebook now one kasa watch video because because me can crash is some way aquatap water purification tablet a self-dissolving tablet uja bi ditu nsuom say cream na tin nsuo nani kama e moa wa ebetimi akofa nsuom yarewa de abrewo a yemfo ye ni hunu mu nyina no ebeko mu nyina afi nsuo mu na ma nsuo no ate kama pa me kire microorganisms e wo nsuo mu a wotimi kofa waterborne diseases de ba no it will kill all of them. TPBH kwenye hotels ne hospitals ne restaurants awodo ne de kenka wunya no ana mu na eyisu. Yo aquatap food safe nso ho. Wako krum akwa shopping watoto fruits and vegetables no ubedu fia emfa ordinary water and wash ho na starting consuming. Use aquatap food safe. Fa wash fruits and vegetables no nyina na aye clean kama na wedi na how be ntimi ama ubenya bi wo chemical shops supermarkets ne pharmacy shops ahodo bi no wo nkran na operedo afre 020 9077 726 Kumasi phone phrase 050 169 4275 na kufredo afo afre 0244 593 381 na ya sort to come up o madama ena ye the videos of our time ebro na pacho boremu e na wa hwe video no why borem na ye hwe video no na ehu papa ni pa bonifo adults we ase and take note and channel video no if Nigeria na me problem ne say enei na no ada yesi yen poultry pharmacy omunya feed omunya bro farm ma omunkoko ne yes o neighboring countries in Nigeria for the Burkina for mo be to ade ne de kwa ne ade on se de ECOWAS ETNT no ene business de Ghana Nigeria Togo ye wuram ye kwa ye ba ne ade ye din sa wonso enti se ejato onyonko abadusem na ye se nyame de mfa me ho a wan hwe yi a ubedu doknoka. If this thing is happening in Nigeria, it means that they can package it and bring it to Ghana market to sell. And at the end of the day, yani ebe yare ni ebewu no mo jom sika. And untimuma yani na ho, especially distributors wo kromu ha. Mo so mo toto. Ensa efi enkrofo ho e de event drinking bars, ne pubs, ahodo ne restaurants, ne all the joints are muyusu nsa. Empo individuals, we should be mindful of the places we buy our stars from, because Nigeria and asem yesi. Omo etimi akwa nkrofobia ayi hwe video no to so na yakọ na edi nkomo. Etiatie for mo na mo amode mani hwe video na mo hu de mi kan. Enkrofo no hye tokro bi mu o. Na drinks are very popular. And ye Ghana ha party bia obeko bia sa drinks no e bi ho. Party bia obeko bia you find those drinks. Amafo ni jo boys you know pa na girls de enso girls no won sabi won pe eno so bi won pa na sa ade we omo friend say ayi sa ayi container na am ni so gum no omo odin bi omo de friend sa domara kwa we say den sa ade no omo de enu bi to say the idea very back at TBI yetimi de enu bi ena nkrofo ya ye omo mixture wo and no more packaging no iron and san. Me and yes, I may say be business, but for emphasis, a woman board brands nibi. Usha video now, 8 p.m. na betwam kono. Ya branding correct. Come on. Want him original pa. You see Hennessy, sa whiskey near the day, Sabakuya until the overcast or me, I don't take alcohol. And so me can soft drinks binum say bakuya no champagne Eva say then he be nice baku heaven na try say they Christo nearby when you heaven no more send heaven on earth. And so masa say yare nkwa wo de bro abehwe video no. And some be including wine wo de hwe say they label na egu for mo hwe. And say you soon from when you may. Omo bewie adini na share box mu dia kwabonte man krofo atonom. Meanwhile, enye original and sapapa from the main producers no. And krofo no brand na say dey label no, and omo so kwatwa bi pepepe. And omo packaging is nice, so you not see the difference between this and the original. Tokrom no omo show. Na a whole thing baby omo your production hwe. Containers yes is way and normally production no a whole few poto. Only God knows what they add in order to get the same flavor and normal beton their man for one thing. It is sometimes a bit me cotton some baby was okay there as a near the German origin. Because a bit me hands and I really say and they are selling this for people. Our brand for you aware of it. Until the alcohol party, oh Charlie, oh me there, I know they drink in here, me there, and say what brand I'm there, me poo, oh Charlie, and there, oh mommy, any soon, and there, oh boys, now watch it. Meanwhile, it is not original, and then can't do no more petition grand canvas also because unimu near my near mom dear frafa. Now the kumi crane soft drinks day there and also a gym for you. Omu yi, oh there's a video no, ube sugar. A sichre pie what politin ayim and a sichre no omo ya no mo de ayina fra na che say adna doko ntu kotwa oh champagne there we non alcoholic ayi we dey do sugar tea no the flavor be awo won kala and omo sheto krom and they are doing this and selling it to the public chefo mo won ezuo na yansa wo enti ba bi omo te no mo ye production no and I'm penny for kwachi woman ye hwe ade na gu he na APO market no. This is a marketplace. Who could do as a store shop I ton ade o but who room kwachire ho a and no mo te otokro mu o and ho no mo ye production no. No mo bag dey about. Enti ba bi o mo akwachire omo yi. Wo de obenwu video no pani ba ko onam a hwe ya na chese ensa ne bi kura e wo hwe sister ye ogina woni shop na ni mo no ebi si wa akra chese ye ton. Etu twamu ana oh give me one now na waje baako wodi ko she fridge na chile sa na wo no mo abusua wadwumi e fine you know even hwe na papa ne de kire you see this drink sa heaven dey ni ayi sa yi non alcoholic ayi etu wani tua say ade ni no akwa akoto so we dey me dey say me dey me pensa me mpa akọ ho nti yare e na okọ no de agu mu. We should be very careful. Now we dey ye kan na ye kan de aba be suso e de ama ye mpanifo amanfo ani ye din sa wo so efia amama ahodo so product a back country ni mu no mom ye hwe yie na yanomfo yi Nigeria haye o me ka say crack cast be 100 nkwan if you abande na kodu komti 18 a hoyi ka ba ko timi ko be de ho one day. Oh, I'm telling you omo ayom station ho if you tell no pakosi anwe ka si so mo ko be ni ya eti oba na se ne box waje box ba ko bi no de aba wo den na betimi aka say box ba ko pe no waje de aba o chiro betimi akọ na another box no de aba no wo mo tonton sa ne ade ade a mom yenye very careful na your borders no yen hwe ne insecure ne ma yie amount for the product rere mu say ni ade a because we wade bebe yes oh why approve ne wo mo de di na kan mi wa why nye obi approve bia mom yenye careful careful. This is from Nigeria. Again, let me stress on that. It is from Nigeria. And I but my worry is that Nigeria and Ghana there. I be you know now. They say so when you come any careful. Yanye careful. Oh my class on bet me have started production in Okrumua. And yes, we do for the Nigeria or the Aba. Oh, they home there for them. Everything is possible now. You will see no. Then they start production for this country. No one started a produce fake drinks at the moment for them. Now yare, and yache. May the good Lord have mercy on us. Nani pa bon for it to say you know. Rather than cause I'm wine, na yen you so aban dan den na ne enche om. Yes adia. Ye bebre. Abusia floral disposable handkerchief. Ya pibi. Bibi ania now they are paper. On polythene we, sugar, ordinary sugar yeah. Oh God. And on gusu we. Look at that. Sugar in the polythene we. It was son of the firm, not the good mouse. Joe. Utu anonsa na mi kan she fridge na chile sa urade. Ade na deze. As no mi kan sugar fu apere. Look at this. Erade hu ya mobo. Floral disposable handkerchief. Wo paper we ya na wato atwene. Titan bia na ho ate kama. Ente say ordinary cloth handkerchief ya. Wo paper na dia show boto na carry gems no with you everywhere you go sa denye. And also look out for floral toilet roll and a floral multi-purpose paper towel. So your floral table napkins and our floral box tissues. They are available in a shop near you. Price notes the phone book. Do pano afraid Delta Paper Mail Limited 0243 033 033. Come on. Afraid Kel Kids toothpaste and necro. And for some fun penny for toothpaste in trouble Francis Mano. Stambia will be trouble phrase penna than toka on never consania dia on pet. Bomodia mano Kel Kids toothpaste. And no dear, ye the strawberry I want to come pa. It's your friend cry can no cry nanny de. Any set of bin when ye be to no be finishing. No timia to was ye trinisia man kama. Na and yes strawberry ni me ye de keke. A bois a protecting more front gums no. Na fe a prevent cavity. A mom sin also I very strong and healthy. Na fe I almost smell it fresh all the time. Tima Sanka Kel Kids toothpaste. If it 2 years, they could see 6 years for no. And the usual ye pa we ifi Samara Company Limited. Na FDI Mushimwaja to say a year. Kel Kids happy smile. As they do, Yamfa Emma Pan African Savings and Loans. Pan African Savings and Loans. And easy. And they omate tiso. Omate tiso. Na den omate tiso. Interest rate wo omo besia no ho no. and now back from Boko. You shall say from the 1st of July. Nyami Adom the 30th of September. And baby, and I just say, Bosumi me and someone you did this edumediwi. It take advantage of sa reduced rate. Never grow business no. Can a besi a beji a kabeti media traushi mu. Ensi hu a betua ho interest a betua ho. And they are to so from cry. To betimi agiskan kese. Cause they hu na yina utua na kitu abi. Sa agiskan kese a wetimi de bie wadwuma num. Simple. Pan-African Savings and Loans, our Greater Accra, there was Central Region, there was Eastern, there was Ashanti, and there was Ahafo. What dear friend, keke? Next train location, baby, I want you better your branch, your bell. Now about your bear business. 057 555 7777. That's 057 555 777. Nefre, na yeninkomo. Choose Pan-African. Choose greater strength. Dominion Herbal Powder, #1 immune booster. Dominion Herbal Powder. He, tiano, fa teaspoon, sabi, fa gunso shimu o cup num. Kanumu a, emu yase ya adwa, abusuanom. Anopa, repeat the same thing. Ube difference ebeba system num. Ado in ho den pa. Ema immune system no ho ye den. Na atimia fight against nyarwa hodo ebebo asetrem. A sign eboa normalize blood pressure, kidney na fe so heart related problems na ifio or spine. I feel so ya na stroke diabetes na ade tete your mouth we ebe clean na why free. If Angel Dominion Bar Center and Coco the door partner phrase 0543 158 195 a phrase 020 429 6449. Yes, I can Anabuachi Herbal, Hallow Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Community 5 Tema, Repatch Ventures, Hunina, on Sa Ebe County. Now, also, all day I bought on mobile. Also, 106.3 Adom FM. Now, this is your own show. Ofie Kwanso. Your first dama, your proud sponsor, and if you buy, you trust some more edition for a way, Ejimedi.
Honey. It's Ofie sa unkuana when him aqua taps full safe and I. Tell Nini about Udini de Piano. Aqua tap full safe. And I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also aqua taps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omonde Ebulu Munsio, Efomunsio, Surunsio, and Insia, and one tea at the Yawanda de Juma, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko de Yusud Mapumudin so in here yepa. And Nontinamato aqua tap surface disinfectant. Yet me the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel aqua taps Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya aqua taps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
MTN spin the wheel radio. Yes, simple. Get up your airtime. Now text the spin. Echo 5040. The winning price. Simple. And I bet me we need to do 30,000 Ghana cities. What's me be? And you text the VIP. Echo 5040. Then you 10 points to be on peace. So,
MTN. Everywhere you go.
And then one best school in class prefect, Obiaway.
Say, one when you know, you test me who say malaria.
Some to 20 and your woman to couple. Now send you once now so deal for to me dear from which you call Samadono. Sounds on a one that treated net more and two bet to me are you one malaria. One shot, no decamwa Samado.
Say, Nippa be brea sweating and Tonton Dancing a drono, one when the mo, and Tinton Riwomo, Name dear, and I do be a metam insecticide treated net as say, and the meda are soon
Woody COVID-19 bambon share no national. Kaisa when you bush bedan Tonton Danya Yashin Drasia na Jubia. Number Mohoman free malaria what bribia, I will be beer.
Good Life, Abrabopa, Boni Yin, and Kaibwe Ghana Health Service, USAID, and one of one's for in a day break.
Mene kwekwa ne nyine bomu dane din komo say dachi be de ye betu kwaya konkrokro wo wiase afana ko gie nipa afemi wo ha kwekwa frame nra chale August we de me ko chile wo Dubai o de nam kansa yin nkola gro ne bi It's baby say, now who was scared the copa to Dubai? No, mammy, why say?
I know a dance travels in tea, but to me, I could cheer what Dubai, what I mean, Jessica, he be
Woman, you, Kaya, now you could Genie with Dubai, a free 8th August. Now what you must swap papa. I need Jum to Nimapa, Kwame Eugene, and I go share Bomu. Kayuni say, you're begging to buy this amount, and they walk through Emirates Airline. Now what's the Joe who a 4-star hotel pop pebimu, fully nyanya. Now when you now, Ubet 8,000 Ghana cedis per. Ane, Sidim Pimu Watry, Essansa a dance travels, and Dimfia Watry. And no your friend with the power of 8. Open register with the 800 cedis per Ebertoas here. Now what you are kind of kakra. Open Chemubians Travels. Feel life's beauty.
Say me hunama ya motso fe geisha black soap fufro eye guy ankasa me hu se me ni peduane gina so na ehre ankasa
Geisha black soap fufro activated charcoal wom any geisha moringa soap fufro glycerin wom no wo be bawon sam e mahunam ya moto na FD agi dwade nkrato ya tum
business no ebetimi susei.
So the projections from the first quarter show a higher total gross profit for the fiscal year.
Ebetimi akasa sei impo.
Nana, who's not land you? He did a port right.
Ebetimi susei.
Here are your items. Thank you for coming.
Ebetimi akasa sei impo.
Yes, 2 for 10 cedi. Me no 10 cedi. 2 for 10 cedi.
Wajadie no ebetimi akodani. Emfa ho business awoyo. Be biara ho bia. Ye wo hase ebeboa. MTN Business meant to enable your business stay ahead of the pack. Shushayen ewo mtnbusiness.gh@mtn.com. Fre ana WhatsApp yen ewo 0244 308 111. Na yichire wo MTN everywhere you go.
All right, so we are back. Na yetwa Jumedian so we carry to when no. Ebe na so say share asemwa ena wie yedi tu yonfo. Ofie Kwanso Jumedian so Adom 106.3 FM.
Adom FM.
Da da. Yeah. All right, so and Adaroma DBS Industries and I think so MTN yeah sha semwa ye di tu on for awie e wo fie Kwanso Media so and as semwa di tu on for no pretty simple ebiana wabamu abu kakra ebiana wapaba esan say oya enyeye problems here and there near there and that's when you know the amount. This is to inspire you and also remind you say you need to keep hope alive. And as someone our prophet will say, every sunrise gives us one more day of hope. So be very hopeful in life. If you stumble, accept the fact that you've stumbled, but get back up. TBMU. Or say every sunrise gives us one more day of hope. So be very hopeful in life. But then, if you stumble, accept the fact that you've stumbled, but get back up. Very simple. Sana brabonite. Sawoda now sorry. Now we say owiana pia. Eno ya de dead perfect chain say. Akonya sonko ewo ho, ani da so sonko ewo ho e de mayen. Say sorry na wiana mabiem de ene say na brabonasi. But once we see another sunlight, once we see the sun rising again, it means say akonya sonko bi ho e de ma me ne omi no. Ani da so bi ewo ho e de mayen. Eno ntino ese say ekoso a na ye kura sa ye ni da so no. Mayen nyaadja no saa kekekwa. Na yen kan so hu say abrabo no enye toten saa sa osi mu ana okwa na wadu. Etoda ubetimi apuri kakra eno ne basa gitum se anko yie wahwe ase ne moment ka ho san so igina wanamo so biem a sign that hope na ewo ho nintino ne to aso ko anim na ebesi yie. It is said na no na make no se o bobra no na onye hopeful there ene na wa mo bra na kra nkeye. Be hopeful in life. Ebe eyen kakra. So once again, every sunrise gives us one more day of hope. So be very hopeful in life. And if you stumble, accept the fact that you've stumbled, but get back up and move on. That is life. DBS Industries, am are losing trusses. Now, such trusses you on say they yet channel. They cut trusses. I said they no your wooden trusses or your metal ones. When you are losing trusses, it your names are wooden trusses. Na the good dance one sana the chance ya boss no twam because in Rihanna abundance any oh a good dance so ada acrobatic dra na dan na edwira gumi e mo betimi ahwe wo soro saa when you be bounce na late now dan no na ebugum no enu ti ne ye kanfo DBS are losing trusses ma mo bia ntimi nkore enye hwe empro enmu it said the tears are a lightweight it enfa pressure megina odan no so mo dey apɛ bi akira kwan ebebo adika sam say the reason why now everybody is using the are losing trusses no ne boy nyɛ den sa so ne boy nyɛ den kura kwa e be take measurement ade no mo ahwɛ shape no ne ade no ye hwɛ dan ne plan oh ne akutwa de abegu so amazisi a what the area check we on the spinter should do fear so pay na wadu papaya restaurant Frey 0240-844-444 yeah betimi about site na be free estimate the amount o kuma say Frey 050-600-4141 na attack ready for Frey 050-600-4242 na ya sort o come pa MTN and they also on the energy sem na aba e dia ema small to medium scale business owners and they say wakofa SME plus ediaba na sa MTN SME plus you know there and say and wakwanya multi manage all your operational cost in communication na sa service way it allows you to choose affordable packages what me I enjoy talk time SMS data and of a business content all bundled in one subscription tiawa. The other exciting news is that unya free on net calls every Monday bia the NSA if you no past 7 complement 7 free on net calls be dwagum when you want sign up ewa bra or dial *5060# and yes are free and now send the WhatsApp phone number with 0244-308-444 when you have further information then you stay connected everywhere you go. Adom 106.3 MIT asemo edi to your info e wo fie kwadwuma edi so Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station and this is your own show. I see we be ko enum enche bia no say Scott bebe rem na ye dey around the world in 5 minutes abro. In the meantime we all say good afternoon, Jerry. This is Kwabi. Today happens to be Mrs. Beatrice Adair's birthday. She's at the police training school, Tessano. The husband is a physical training instructor at the training school. His name is Mando. So on behalf of the husband, myself, and the children, we want to wish her a happy birthday. We wish you long life and prosperity. We, Ify, Kwabi, and Chain. From there, I also we also say happy birthday and Koma Eva Ama Pepra, also known as Swagji. Swagji, Oye Kaswa, na Oko School, Oye English, amount from SHS. And a member of the Apostolic Church of Ghana, Nyanyano branch, Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today from Starboy Manuel. On also Nedie Aode Ebae Enono. Na we so efi eye sele enchen sele eye Sintrest award eye Tema Community 25. Or say Madam Eduafo aka Miss Alinko Oton Tiles ewo Mami Sekune Lane wana no na okwa sorry ewe Action Chapel Celestina obi afene sele or yes interest obi opamwade or say men kan tro say nyame onhia pa na we show all the best as you celebrate your birthday today nyame onhia na o papa ya wo ye mani nyina no kai nyina na said the way ni papa na o wa koma pa no nyame hwe so na onhia na o ma oni wa woda abreni nyina e wo Yesu dim amen. Okay. Yeah, Corey. With you. Good afternoon, Jerry. This is a wonderful day the Lord has made. It's my husband's birthday, Mr. Eric Mante Pimpon of Cape Coast University. Myself, the wife, and the children. We want to say, may the good Lord bless him to do more for us and the family as well. So, happy birthday going out to you, Mr. Eric Mante Pimpon, or Cape Coast University. A wife name of Freddie now say, "Omo show well." Guys, let's get into music. Now for your Babaka, Yene says Scott Atwaso, Eddie around the world in 5 minutes. Abro. This is a classic one from the self, Mr. Julius Koju entry, and he calls this one Odofopa.
Ofie
Amen. Hey, 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 hey. That was Charles Kojofosu, aka Daddy Lumba, Minye Denkra. Into this one from the man, Amanzeba Nat Brew. Dede to was kakra, so I did. Oh, beba na to was kakra. A happy birthday going out to Felicia Akuoku Minta. Oh, yeah, the Church of Pentecost. Ni Boyman from Nana Frimpong. Godfred, multimedia client service. So we show happy birthday, pa. And Meja Ediba Kwabetum, I say a Bishop Chief Anthony Kwabena Amonu, Oye Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries, Kofridia, Onaya Kofridia Bishop. Happy birthday, Uncle Emma, Nat Nyame, Unshaw, Pa, Untium Pai Boy, you are come swadi na ma, come on. From a Sofo, Ya Usu and San. Nothing so Efia Pukuya away Japan, all the way in Asia. Also, and Ewa Sofo Ya Usu and San on my Aoda Pa Nyami Inshrao. And then also Auntie Helena Teria Owusu at Chisco Dansuman. Also, an Ewa happy birthday to you from Sofo Ya Owusu and San Osinyame Onshamuina. And then happy birthday, also come out, Mr. Charles Darko, Repco Limited, and also our tema. We if you park we see and check, park we see away the multimedia group, the corporate office. On our control near my near there. PK. There was a hey Jerry. La cosa mommy, che mommy ni maleni manna mi sheda. Kadio la cosa mommy, che mommy ni maleni manna mi sheda. Wale mommy kami ba wale mommy kami bala hami mi sheda. Tia. I know baby I'm the pan about tea. Put it tea. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was trying to far around the world in 5 minutes, embryo. Make us say, says, Scott, say. You know, my live here on Adom 106.3 FM. But last Friday was your birthday. Bennett, Nana Kwame Breman, Rising Sun Montessori School. Last Friday, and I'll do 10 years. While my man Benis Asamoah. So we show a happy birthday, though belated. Yami Osha, not on Tonkwandem, Omo Nimbe Penny Pa. Ewo Yesu Dimo. Namisha, enjoy your 10th anniversary. I was young Quenim. Ade Eba Sewawa Akwaba, you never finish. And put him to say, Yamiantum, Nampa Josue. Adom Koyanti. Also, Meso Mehoye, papa. Yet that Chediampo, Yankupon, Basaya, Domanase. Yadanase. Yeah, Yadanase. Wayadi. Wayadi. Yamiaibi. Oh yes. We need to be thankful to God. You know what I'm saying? Now, and sana uba tuwaso wako anymore. Okay. Your friend Papa and unique. Okay. Oh. Tema. Okay. In fact, a fantastic man. All right. Yeah. A fantastic man. That's right. Na me take you opportunity na me can say thank you. Okay. Mendana se so what I say. Nipa ya dia. Osayi. So all the mechi. Mendana se pa na tema come 1. Okay. Mankwazi runabout na or ne shop any Mankwazi fisheries no ene opposite. Omo ton like hardware products no near their day what I say. Zinc plate, galvanized plates, money, nema, just say machines, no money, just say those construction, nema, no money for industrial stuff near the Adini now, PBR, correct, come for now. Oh, fantastic man. That's right. And Mr. Andunique, thank you very much, and may the good Lord bless you. Yeah. God bless him. And you and your brother, Yinko Italy. Italy. And they are same next year. Na Menchia Oboeski. Fantastic gentleman. Virginia Mechia Prince of Pokuya. And you be Biara Wuti and any also there. And you na a fear to do. Onosmena Nasipa. Okay. One fantastic lady. What I say. Nenia Dempa. Or a go getter. A cast will be a go getter. You know what I say. Yeah. If you are in shop for our now. You are very fine. Gradually. Yeah. Can I tell you something? Go on and tell me something. So today I'm asking. After dating him for 7 years, gradually. Yes, Ibabu. Oh, gradually. Ghana Funti. Omuti. After dating him for 7 years, he finally married you. Yadanyamiase. Na mwa musanse mo ko honeymoon. To do what? I'm asking. To do what? I'm asking a simple question today. Brother, to do what? That one I do not know. Okay. I'm asking brother to do what? Hey, that's very great. That one I don't know. Honestly speaking, I said, oh my cousin now catch it fast. Answer na manu besi na feel be better here. It would am. Brother, you are dating a short girl.
Who do you ready?
Me too.
You are dating a short girl.
My message be as my attention okay. I say Master Jerry, you are doing something. You are doing something. Why? Still Corona day or what? Master come out the mask. Onya. Ode opa ko ba bi ese bi wo no. Na mom ko kisikisi omu nyina why? Eno ye wa brabo. Eti jam na me so me mom de why? Enye se wafutuwe na me ba beti. Why? Yo yenko anim.
Radio ye.
Enipa bi no se ntina yare no nko no. People like this
system no ho.
So omo system no. Omo se ntina yare no nko na eguso wo no.
Radio ye. Who dey see oba or your short? Now who say complain say Osan is stubborn. What do you expect from somebody who is refusing to grow?
Says Scott. Yeah, they no can short girls yasem. And that's no grandma. And grandma has was it where 3 or 4 girls are gathered and discussing sex.
A group of girls discussing sex. The short one
started. And that's so.
And I say no. Who they tell about yetia? Who say complain so is stubborn? Now, what do you expect from somebody who is refusing to grow? Bradery. As a girl. Bradery. Ghana Fonti. As a girl. Your forehead should not be bigger than your breast.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's why they all yako body shaming. I just miss when career.
Oh, they are now old. You don't get it.
I just make you.
Bradery. Yay. The idea, I'm going to Bradery.
Yes.
July Bosomino. And about to Dra Nigeria. Northwest Nigeria. Say, Oma kidnapped a student. 121.
A day.
Yes, a betuja. Now, Mom kidnap woman, and Oma release emu 28. Oma release emu 28. Yes, Oma release emu 28. Oma ko count my wofo and sa. Omo eja hweanya omo mane de. Omo da twedi ampo nyankopon basa yi Adom no ase. Facebook ebi ye me pa.
Oh, Oma started your
say Facebook. So also can be.
Let me
had them stories. Gradually.
Ombenya yo. Omo amono mo ye wa ofan sa.
Me fa hu dwane mo. Me fa hu dwane. Omo pema se mo so say. Gradually unim. Ebeto just say Mali president no obo empire mosque. Yes.
Say na na o ka kire me no.
Yes.
Hey.
On the way to share so no.
Charlie. Oya lucky pa o.
Yes.
Afina ma share video no.
Yes. Na unim say nipa na oyes ana ye che no no. Omo de aba abonten say nipa no has been killed in the police custody.
Oh.
Something there inside.
Wait a minute. The guy who attacked him no.
Yes. You didn't have
while he was praying no.
Yes.
You didn't call police custody wawu.
So cool ni hu. Say yo. Afena nhwehwemu no eba ye be hu no.
Wow.
Blackberry. And someone else also no. Ebura adwene ene entiase so. Blackberry. Blackberry.
Yeah.
France National Assembly approve a bill bi a wo mo kire se enche bia no restrictions no ye ba omo de nyama bi ba be gu akwemu a ebeye more tight ama adihye wo not as in so omo bomb abroad but to protect them.
Yeah.
COVID-19 bragery whether they like it or not asaya man ho me so inti wutie mi a me pa cho nose mask no utike mu a na wa hye o ko ba bia na wa hye mesrew ehu hia pa onkwa hu ya uni wa ye ni ho inti no mesrew mo ti bragery sesi an ukọ eye nations awodo na omo de eniama egu akwam ede ama omo nkrofo machinery and the Hanam DC.
Okay.
Babrajery.
Yeah.
Answer na my Let me tell you something. My sister. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Amba asasisu amba mbewu.
Sisters. Ghana come and beat him.
Gradually.
Ghana come and beat him.
Gradually.
Yes.
Messi. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Wamba asasi so amba mbewu. Say, o sister be yesle queen me pacho.
Okay.
Don't say we dey o see okay. Me kasa na me boss sisters na wo say bia me ba be kan.
But there are when bebo and there.
Oh, where there be any.
There quite be as they go beat you.
Gradually. Ghana ni bia enti. My sister, you are dating a guy using Toyota Sienna. Uri no catch me say you didn't know say he was a married man. Na me be
the Sienna 2 is a family car.
Thank you. You are very unique couple coming out dama. Sienna 2 is a family car. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This one I agree with you.
You agree with me? Who are the catch him say you didn't know say he was a married man? Toyota Sienna 2 is a family car.
It's a family.
What are you some granny? What are you talking about?
There's another car said me who say could be slow trip na so way. For car you are there come on. And also this almost family car conference simple. I think Odyssey or something Honda. Me who's on this kind of say hey. Wait, for car you are there also right and I'm saying what car we out.
Daddy, memory nas.
Says God.
Nansa na meko.
I'm from a boo.
Nansa na meko, brother.
Yes.
The most useless man is the man doing nothing with his life, but always going to the gym. Yes.
As a much of on the Munia of Maza.
Brother, where the mechanic paying to Sabi. Me see the most useless man is the man who is not doing anything with his life, but always
going to the gym.
Makasevi.
Okay.
Brother, Obi send me message saying the mama ya mama for Akwaba Alpha Africa. It's me pacho yen sorry.
Okay.
And brother, Kwai.
Welcome to Africa.
Welcome to Africa, whereby you share Bible verses more than job opportunities. Reading at the say, Scott. Woko achim oda. Brother, you free krobi KJB.
Okay.
I just say, okay.
No way, Jerry.
French ni beka cho say cheval. I just say brother ya tete say den.
Omebo. That was around the world in 5 minutes. Says Scott and every Demo baby I do a share na ye de irrigated sports and so at was to see the man in Kosonda ya.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
That's a brand here. I'm actually dead with the Cromus. I was Malcolm saying, can't you say, you're dreaming work as your pa? Yes. You go so I quit anymore. I said, the woman said, Ubo Remo Malcolm for us, yeah. For crab, I be PM Crano. Hey, Malcolm home. Malcolm home. And as I say, when I go for the Now, this new shop is located at Tema, just opposite TT Brothers. Traffic lights on the Accra Aflao Road. And then you be Melcome Home. Branabe enjoy shopping on products that beautifies your home, offices, such as home furniture, office furniture, home decor, curtains, carpet, bed sheets, clocks. Just say, and your man they're fed there. Oh, artificial flowers, bedside lamps they can kawina. A PM, Melcome Home. Melcome Home makes your home beautiful. Opening hours, Monday through to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then on Sundays from 12 midday to 8 p.m. Here in Washington. So Melcome, where Ghana shops. Ya promise ya we de ne be bie kwam na fe yatimi e de irrigated sports atwaso na ene ya hwe enkomo ai wo ho. But in the meantime, today happens to be your birthday. Alberta set you are. Me am more fast. Papa, no feel brutal. We if you ma mention comfort your boy or Uberhausen or Germany also we show happy birthday and a day would birthday nyame on show na on your kese o mo ho ban na wa kuma so ade nyina o ma emrem ema Alberta set you are. Happy birthday to you dear. Enjoy your day. Baby I do no penifo ebekasa cause o man kasa pe ebeti afaso.
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Sports. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Now they be meeting Irrigated Sports. There's no day meeting Irrigated because meeting manage. Now I'm stressed.
That's all. Offer.
Okay. Program one. Denisham. Fast sports one. Irrigated Sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba.
Akumejoso.
Na what to say?
Ha, jana dum ya tempo anu die kwakuna. Anwani man ye wono.
Okay. Bibia be fine. Adebri Akwaba.
Ya ni akwaku.
Na also what to say?
Oh, nyanko padum. Itimi kasa home eye bibia de na chese odi enkwa che.
Na kaswa situation it say ho.
Oh, situation no boko.
Say yi ubesi ana. Virus ni ade.
Virus no mom de said DC no ye na nioma. During COVID time.
Yeah.
Kaswa pantimi anti say. When said this time so besan you biom.
Obo adwuma pa o.
Papa.
Obo adwuma pa.
Said be ya on sign and you go kaswa de oh rough.
Yeah.
When you are not
deja.
When it is a present car say market when you have some mamu at the home. Kaswa so the market is some mamu at the dead hodia.
Be hardwin
TMC so team market ya mensa. One shall say.
One sign kanyagum.
Yes, I dia kaswa de tefaswa. Be hardwin. Nti kwa ku se mpa ya na ebo.
Okay.
Ya na ebo. Dom no she kaswa. Ti wanyu obi obe hwe se ebetiti mu a. Be hardwin. Nti o mo shall say ntem na. Akofa sem kesi ama.
Pa. Me ma atiefo akwaba. Yeah, afena ma ba ti ma atiefo.
Wo wa betrase. Na ma wo ba en mama akwaba wi. Wo so
atiefo akwaba.
Oh, come.
Entina also atiefo akwaba.
Oh, abi come.
Kwaku
the way I'm free what ba be so ko keke sa oh David men yes oh bra
Maria sister
bana me twa hag ba ko na
Kwaku ba so hag
oh say na she face mask oh Charlie I miss you plenty oh Charlie Today where you can't wait and meet you by this time. You for come where we are. I know they on air. Now I'm more come on kakra there. What I say? Kwaku. Obri ayo ahwe kakra ya manko.
Kwaku say opani kasa e wa.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. We'll talk. Yeah.
And was say as I say a year any reception yenya ye.
Party na
Kwaku na niwa amanfo nso aye nema to a na e ba so.
Ma men kan see asam
so agent to ase.
Me no me enrollment me anti open. Ti no pay me one me so obi assign ni receipt. Ama me na receipt ya wasani. Program so Saturday no.
Agent to ase.
Na do say ma ye nya biem enti ye ne dan. Kwaku e ho na me yem e ka me. Uza me say no party me jama na alright but na me time on so ye. Asa me ye exercise na say na me jama na.
Na de so so.
We dey ma nya exercise na kro na America no eba. Aye asam kase pa ma me na so Kwaku. Wo man no enko so ehia. Hwe Ghana for third wave ye nya ahweye.
Yes.
Kwaku me ne o kasa me yonku bi ne maame ani nnua afiri mu enra kobi. Omo hu bo mu de.
Wonim sa amanfo bi so nam no mo keka se o mpanifo that. I mean,
ole jam we no me ba. Enya na Elia me ne se Scott obi message o send by say na e dey na mpese me che na me yi ade no fi na me ade na me yet say the COVID goes war and I'm like look at this person
Kwaku me say where dey enya obi na see o me say ninnua ene ne maame abomu awu enra
me say
COVID-19
until say ebi be ben no ana obi oben ebi be nya no
Kwaku na unim the sad aspect of it woman na oya maame pani no wa bojob ni mienu nyina o.
You see? Enya na ye ka ye say ade no na no pay ko do pon kruma kasa no pay one wo betimi anya bi eno nche say yen ya take vaccine na wi no ye okay sa
o. Me say maame na wunura wa bojob abojob bi
Bako Jabu see.
I am so much about boss.
His life
America mo boss.
His life for Jabu.
Montumo Kwaku dangerous situation but Montumo has Montumo. Yan fan kakra.
And you go come straight Ghana for. I say the Ozamiampa and no crowd me must come into me. So for the first time I must that at Owa a bear.
I shock.
Yeah, so I didn't news. Me say and not any oba omko the same time COVID wave the betimi aye no
almost ya no dey chair waves ni nyina
enti yenya hweye na me dey ho kwase wa bojob no kura timi san ye obsa timi kun no
there be and they right from the beginning na
omo yeti ase
before vaccines ne be ba no mo kan say utiki e no nche say untimi nya yare ni bi you can get it but how devastating e be ye no e na we no e reduce no so ati ase it in kai bia e ball na potim na obetimi ewu no we no betimi abo akrakra na
Kwaku na company kasa
obe yo hu aduro kopem se
osi job ne be bada ban
wa to din
chale e serious o
wa to din
because first one aba ama ebi mo nya bia wo
say kra no
Ghana for do na enwo obi
oh yes
do na greater ayi na enwo you na ya awezi ahin kakra bi
majority na nya bi ti asram panimfo ma hu so man pani say third phase of the year ni o mu bo third quarter ni we o say third quarter dey o mo yes and Kwaku bi kan say third quarter it was enro ni be ba na nentam yes from company
no ne ase ese ka by now ka yatimi awo ni
na half crack ye o dey half of Ghana square
na we no cry by ya beginning ye Kwaku no ye ngo na bi no madane wo ho ase say minim de no pese mo kire mo bi anko na so wo be so
ye se un se den hu obi a COVID kuno a on ti ase e wo yare no ye
yes and unim say so mo hwe abrochi how abrofo no mingle omo ye omo ne they think say she ni wana abrofo no kra bom omo agi job no
even cry no omo cry no and then when you say kuom as we speak now where cry now I think that Australia or something omo cry yes they are preparing to go for lockdown demos and then any other places
papa your friend John Amwasi or your health expert now the stress or sha ya rehwe yi na otwe mienu a di animi and you be do a peak so far the third wave is concerned per adwuma o ma ye no de o hu no ahwe ya na wotwem ye nu edi anim yi
ye bedru ye peak
so far as the third wave is concerned if yesre
mama ye mfa nya gudie sha wona wo si bi ni ho amese wo de kato han se de be ya wo mfa me amegidie no mfa kire bi mfa
wo de tie o na me de michi eye wo se onya de atran ba bi don't go and talk no after beka obi wo de yesi we na ye ne mo ho ban you don't want to do it, it's your life but men kan ko kan che obi ono e bo no ban se onya ne ho ban bo
I say mantie mo internet so mo ka se tie Christo sumi that am ko comment say Christo fu ko aso o ma ju correction wo tade na woni abru wo se umpe Christo ade na woni abru so ba bi na dwe we
o mo bo so akoya se
afen ko fo se puei o mo so me di ma to na so me mu odwanfu me da fo me de o ya me de bi
es commission for na wo mo educate amanfo say eso ho nti bia mo dia so be she condom na wo ma bo community na no wo mo educate wo na akwa bi ono ni ho no nam nipa ni mu wo mboa na mo nhye ibediri sa
wo tutu ho ni ho
wo de na onipa we ukotie na ukotie onipa we se ohwi ni ho ebediri sa ampa na wo akwa konya wo akodiri sa ono so otuwe ade yin sorry no
odi adwemboni na etu sa
odi adwemboni so ono de ni nya adwuma etie ne o cho bediri sa ampa ukodi ase ne
abako na de nkan control
omboa
waku kuma se asante kotoko team no ebetimi anka omo nsa kire mu na ono
menka ye no
na ono poultry farm bi emphasize no anya de chese se de team ne de agija se konfo adu jako me sign caps bi ma mo fo si na atiefo ahwe se na Africa Cup no na anka akoye se kotoko anka obetimi ya kire no but se de aduri de bakotena fie na se de obo se kotoko fo de cap a jako caps no wo ho ya say iye we de kotoko ba de cap a plastic caps nko a tibo say ya say caps no egu bebre say kotoko cap obetimi age e wo wi ase se de ano any plastic cap kwaku na kotoko player no bo penalty bi ha amanfo
enti na me si jago me kan no
penalty na say na me pese ye video no
kwa me
penalty na
pro bia sam jama me na me kan ha se masa kan ha se sam kan ha
na video no atefo mu hwe ni ye pa na una we coach na we administrator na some player we usumi so a
so tiarika
na sa utiarika
asa obasi
kwaku
obasi de obasi mu no the defendant obasi
na do say penalty so what say Aisha mbedi na tem just obodu ko fie ko
na bio obasi mu aso mo bi pass inside kick abeto se no si ball no plan bi enim
eze kwaku de block de say
Roma no ju on ani ozi eyi ni
orí ẹ̀sọ́ asádàlẹ̀ ni hu bọ́bọ̀ sí wọn sídò sí tẹ́rẹ̀
wà wagwẹ̀
adé ẹ̀rẹ́ ni bóòfù àná
hwẹ́ sídò sí tẹ́rẹ̀ yẹ no bọ́ọ̀dì ọ̀bọ̀ sí mu àsáà náà wọ́yẹ tí wọ́n ní yẹ penalty rẹ̀ ní wọ́n bọ̀ wà tẹ́ni
ọmọ sí bẹ́sí na yẹ hu bọ́ọ̀lù o jẹ́sẹ̀ yẹsẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ̀ hu bọ́ọ̀lù yẹ bẹ́ máa 10,000 Ghana cedis ntí ni àmàfọ́ nam ẹ̀rẹ̀ bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀dì àbá kọ́kú ọmọdé ẹ̀sọ́
bọ́ọ̀lù de wọ́n susu àmọ́ ẹ̀dí ẹ̀kọ́ a
ọ̀bọ̀ sí mu nyẹ́sẹ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ penalty ọ̀bọ̀ sí mu
wọ́n tẹ́ ọ̀nà yẹ kọ́ sukùl wọ́n sì ọ̀fun
ọmọ àsọtò fún ọ
kwaku si wa pọ brabo e wo kro
we de yi afuom we
na we no nya kotokwa bok ese sika oje so sika nto ha badam
kwaku nim tima e bo bra wo kro ma so na FA Cup ne yewom na kwaku nim se oje FA Cup na bako ko Confederation Cup it has to focus say jeja ho na ya nya na ebia yentimi mu Africa no mo ne mielu ntina ye be ma obi age nya sa de a say de Ghana ha de
excuse
they began had a team bi ani ho a oni mbobo ase Accra House of Folk eti say ye beti we asaji we yentimi mo ne mielu de na say e du ba bi e jeje mu kakra ma obi foforo afa ayi no ka kotokonya de ma no but say de o ma san de o mo nkofie na se na o ma ba say bonya plastic caps bi ade ayo mo ne o ma ano ho asebakwa ko Olympics no so e koso say Ghana ni abrante ba ko no bo boxing ai no wini Suleiman Tete what say the Dominican Republic ni na bo no say from I just was say what qualifier or called around 16 stage of the event na ye dem paibo airtime machi na kwaku ayi na ba medalist na bi ni namu a wo mu anoma update no na ayara only say untai Africa countries no ewum.
Say ye shut down representing more because of most of the
African country now can they because not African.
Most of the disciplines no aya ye nimu. Kakra bi penny.
Kakra bi boxing no ne.
America for. E bia omo bi.
Say we kwa track no. Ye nya sit track so America for be di kai. Say la kwa dem no mo top. US were 14 and Japan 11. China 16.
But
China and leading.
But who's na amount for being so kase looking at how the third wave no so Asha see any DNA said the ama some of the games be all cry ya suspend near there no and na face so cry no e ba no spectators some cry unze spectators it's people were like says I net here there any other na can cancel no cry for now and now e be another postponement be embem than say ye be ma yes because now no ama even at least no cry no they can't even give their best. What do we need? This
COVID, you need that so we should learn to live with it.
But learning to live with it, no. I didn't do one more.
Now, officers are learning.
I didn't do one. Yes, learning to live with it. Okay, too. Life must go on. But and also, just say, JJ, baby, you say now. A bit to me now, so I'm able to cover baby hard. And only a bit to me, I cut it. We should be able to cut.
We should expect a cost after Olympics.
Yeah, definitely. London, a boy, your friends, Eurosi, Yanka, Sessa, the idea, a bejagu, and pam. You see, some cases,
I could do her. We said to be a Johnny Siakano, San Omako Fie. It's China and a lead as at now, and it is followed by USA. And the only nuka cross here, Russia. Africa and Philippines in GB but still you or my Ghana flag say at least gold back you be there about be pim e we krum and so e dey atete re naja oba watimi akwati na nado e wona yi oba do amfa pe ama yen san ma mie gate no man ko wrum say okwa akwati na nado oba
di cup no we say quarter final say semi final teams na ye bia na ai abranti your friend say Black Sheriff. Oh, I don't know how about me. And then fan come and see me.
Asababa. Asababa, can you do Dawson?
And why, okay.
Second sermon now. First sermon or second sermon.
Media, dear minimum.
Second sermon.
American, no, Bomami.
There's a couple part of time, penny really tight.
One year, assemble, but maybe I all book of from Pass about Hong Kong. Hear me. Look, who do also look for money?
I didn't ask some for Daddy assemble.
Oh, about what did it check?
Yeah. Mungasa, some be opening and you do the casa. I be in the internet so I call it to you say boy I don't get you so look at the complaint on. Auntie Mary, the life I live for here. Things I see with my eyes, I make out my brain one now she goes to so I keep it back to myself. Obi ala so my gangster yeah. Be am choice I fair. Baby I'm aware. Silence for a minute. Rest in peace to Sister Mariam. I'm in my Alexander. I really just say now you're trying to my head. Timon family sao na kwa kufri poni ya semebo kila mani ya semebo kila mani ya semebo kwa kufri poni ya semebo kila mani ya semebo asabe na oba na omi enge ya
someone about say only Saturday as good one more qualify to the next stage na abra one more Bob March na one support one friend no I would do 20,000. I would do 2,000. The ones I saw for no speaker be what?
Dana go tomorrow. I would do 20,000.
3,000 cry. I would do 2,000.
3,000. No, I would do 20,000.
Anaja, unsa Ash Gold nso ho abase wo ne ntalize board on boy no. Na Ash Gold CEO say your friend Kwaku Frimpong. Champion Dr. Kwaku Frimpong. Na brand year 2000 out 2000 akofa the asofo the preach here bibia omu. Unso mo speaker bi ho tintin say. Bibia omu bi ase. No dia toro ko no dia kujina papa ni mina Kwaku Frimpong dia sembebo. Sembeba. Za one obo.
Walubu ono.
Walubu. Kwaku Frimpong dia sembebo.
Ade coach ni Kwaku Frimpong.
Dabi see ono. Champion Kwaku Frimpong. Ana asem so ato Ash Gold. Na mo asem mo kanyina nsa papa no mo team nko nya honko na papa no pese obeja one ne. O me nti Alex asem aba hwe yi a. No mo call first division. Ti Kwaku Frimpong dia asembeba. No mo yi amanu na jese. Wo mo aba ma papa no. Se oyobi oni abotranka Saturday wato ni nsa. Na se de ne mante ne ye na nye kura. Na se kura bia nso dia tiasi mu na ordine papa. Kwaku check ai voices no na mame abranti brother Same. Na me fan ko brother Same ho. Share you know baby ya di voices gu no a. Brothers news voices one. Hwe ho. Uba hu brother Same.
See new so
news voices.
Brother Same said that.
Brother Same de said ya sofo ni abreka say bema nsa na ne oba be wade no. E wo so oni oba be da no wo so ye no ho ade wie. Eye bibia wie ansa na woni nada. Wo say
Brother Same say ko bo reggae. Gospel na adwuma. I think ko bo reggae. In some kana no
ne de na pay.
P bro Same P so
nis no trust.
I saw to reggae na bobo.
Na bonena abrante ne nsem okeka ne bi modu
unim so beto bombe mame mo
wo de
bombe de wato
yanko wa obeti
mame mbe bo ade bia
wo de
nkora na post school wo mte no papa no tska
we no said wakana no nkora ne ntiase
so ni o tunyame ho tunyame no
ne ka den
o fo so obi nya section za no ware
me na me ka kire wo
Same
tie ene me ma ba obia wo de ope e ma so aba obia wo de ope e kan de opa ma me choose one sorry to say me ka bia na ma pa choma no da su mana so be oba bia what type of penisi ope e mi pretending bi be ka sempe average hard obi petietia na be
de modu
correct obi su pediemu obi su kra pe obi oposo ompe be ma ne ho bantem na how will you
know long journey
how will you know say ablante ya one ne ye courtship yi ne ho bantem ana ne ho mantem o wale ne pena ne ho bantem o be fa o be call ex ho awado ni peace mamuda ejumanya oni nipa ne betena tiache wa woni su ba ablante o mume anajo mia memene omu fie ti say abodamfo ni ho edam ni ho be me bia so odo we have 7 types of pussies
yeah doctor bubo okay da bubo kire 7
who is that answer me no teachings papa beto kan mikrofo bi diwa mo fama akuma ya na
fasi pusikat wa
ndigo ku de adwenchira brante kire yi wa utie no na de kwadwindwiri mu a esefata
Kwaku
me shede ni mu
sasa ma wo kai wa but me obi atwempena be say 4 years 5 years obo ma akra bia omo da
enye ho no nko ne hia no ho de betwa mu
keke me ni wan amount
da bi mfa mfiri ho because me ni bre
open hot be ko na so direct wa it depend wo onipa no gidie
se ugidie se obekwana kase a opena
da bi sex ankasa wa
we de minim ho hwe
obi
de mo amonga mo asem
ni ma hye onipa bi a ono no sex no anya hwe ma no ye wo nipa bi wo o ware a na ohu obema bi ana so oba bi
na you see me ba
me da onhu se wa ya
kwame mi ntwa no but mame nka se mu se ye se ye wade nyina ho kwan but and sometimes honestly speaking ubetimi a hold different view a particular subject bi but it is not all the time ena obema amanfo hu say this is where you belong and this is your take on a particular subject bi because in some bi ho a looking at the sort of person you are, or personality, what you stand for near the adeno, and the same person who could baby now or can't say me at Tissa. Now, if you are my mom for show me, two. So what else? Was it Eddie? It said the Eddie, and then come see what you must have said they are all come. So it is a young house, and yet, and I see a brother coming. Brother coming. Yeah, did it. Master, and then your master, woman, and that's a boom. Blessing that's boom. Yes, 2 years who said that. Kwaku, some no ya to Johnny, young say and I say some no enye. Now Kwaku so you be a Christo need ya. And says only about that and son of our no. Christo so no emma and dear Christo so. Nay, we are so fond dear. Your rules no dear, I know you're different from a Christo for them. The brother some only you whom be Ojina. So we are see or in between. And our Christian is between. You cannot be a Christian and still preach to say there should be marriage before sex. Hey, sex before marriage. Kwaku pick up just here. And tell me who may be Ojina. If you are trying to the boy Christo for fine, but when you Christian, but when you Christian, as I was the wood, or to the boy and the Christo for you are not your Christian, or your Christian need ya. I already some can be ye. Because, sir, oh yeah, who say I say no. Maybe gospel artists for me who am so almost to say now they decide to sing. Listen to me very well. But you only put me also. Kwaku, you prefer a gospel musician as of who. Watch us here. But they have a voice and they decided to sing scriptures. It doesn't mean that they are Christians. And I don't expect to say, oh my, you're too holy. So a gospel musician. But then I come in and I can earlier no say I debut sat issue as a Christian dear. Uncle brother some year coma as a Christian dear. I know dear believe not try says Hadian and so why in the Panavian sana one another. But baby so no baby da. Also, it is a sex before marriage in Ukraine and said, I want They can't have script and also then you go to the family and then you do the right. When you're Fadia, Abraham from Swan. Oh, Debbie. If indeed a Christian and says, oh, Casa, Debbie, or no, the end, dear Pesach say, so Ushiana now near ya, be a answer. I don't know which one I find him. I don't know. What can I say? If you are more cautious, you are no, so you did here. Now we have to wait, and we have to wait here. And I do the 2 months and more quantity. They all can't hear me. Now, oh, bro, a branch and can say me one man was here was 7 types of your body. No, I trace a bit to someone. And I was shocked. This guy, and I just said, yeah. Brother, why is your do the obey? Was so bebree. And as a Christian, Sanyaman, and Mamma found Rooney, and someone will do. Who's so be person of them, now, Kwaku. When Rooney now, Aquafasa Mabe. And Rooney, the assemble, but now Omco 9 Club. No could you chebia. It's what you also wine on in wine. When Rooney. Did can win Rooney a day? Oh, Mr. Win Rooney, win is that your kind of wins? I a WI first one they went. Rooney, I'm winning no ma. Make a one. When Rooney, son, your friend. That's what I said. If you win, Robert lose, lose. One name, my bow. My bow, such as a model CB. Yeah, yes. No nightclub honor. Won't you share be about money so on Bissama or smart guys and Miss Omani money in Ninkomo? No, almost you have somebody to my table, no much you shabia. Naja, money may and just so many now be a body. Then you would go among us on a show, said a man for to trap picture to trouble pictures. Oko Yuka.
Atia Tisama say Rooney no.
Oh, Rooney has been a bad guy all this while.
No. But in public I go yes I don't know. And I shock you omo. She say when you bad name oh you can see here.
Because we feel bad.
Yes. A bro. Any Sunday man mo ye o na club no mo.
Rooney say dey no ojo yes. We post card no say.
Odi bonin kwa na so. Oh yes star. I say we.
Hold on. Listen to me. No, Oben Traso. Kaswa Emilio. Oben Traso. Ni mum no. Anye bia no. Were you saying this expecting Kwame say Oba be condemn us?
Some meaning say line mo. On what you
know Rooney sika kra ka chen. Kaka wo we kwa he o kaswa. Una nya Rooney sika kra ka chen. What is free?
What do you want? Adia. Oh. Adia ebe tia wo. Who say eya ba wura obra bomu no Kwame. Why you hold den say na okay.
Rooney coffee on club wa da kunye news. Happen na me nya Rooney sika. Age Queen Elizabeth. Hey. No you say nye ja ho sa. Pese kokko no ogide wa for football sa agi sika good dem. Just say ogide we wi ase bi.
O da super football.
Ogide di kakra mo.
Ka saben show. Rooney da super football. Obobo you America.
Say the sabon de nye bo me ti o ma home.
Oye obi yes. And obi as a football coach. What about you will be role model? What shows we see? What nam night club? And I'll go maso. Said they are now weekend we
and throw man to a move. Na chance or cop and check up role model.
And yet, so the one you and Yanajai.
Kwaku,
me too for.
I'm not fear bonnet. Since when I'm not fear bonnet.
Cover that banonte.
Have you ever joined now? I just said, you know, you're down for now.
Also, me why.
I don't even know to me.
Have you also been why?
Now you know to me.
What's a minute why?
And we heard yes, and no crowd for Mude. You were just out it.
I said, I'm hearing it. We never hear it here. This I never hear about piano. And just a walk on night club, and man, I'm walking from one.
But I mean, Tiasa Moon, I tell you, I get a money. You won't tell away.
You're moving on right now. I say, we want
where you are.
Now, I mean, your last one. I almost the ranking Biaba. Sports specialties are almost any akesi any high pa na the highest paid athletes any Conor McGregor on the dikan brand here obo kickboxing no sa agro dey me pese me hekra serious
papa blood
mo dey too kra na o kra
masa
obi ho leti mu bugum
me ba wiase kra me nkoda we ba wiase
na McGregor
Bianca McGregor. I didn't say person me tight. And then I dey be McGregor.
You be phone ya bro.
What can we win ya now? I go for McGregor.
Conor McGregor. Me bona yo de. McGregor no. $180 million. Lionel Messi. We are seeing na Abranti onimbo ko chen obiara.
Lionel Messi, nya Lionel Messi. Body ni man nya de.
Lionel Messi. Anya Lionel Messi.
Yoko.
Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi how can come in tea?
You too for tea yoko.
Lionel Messi $120 million. Cristiano Ronaldo. Lionel Messi 130. Cristiano Ronaldo 120. And Dak Scott. Abranti you say friend Dak Scott. There be way Dak Prescott. Yes. $108 million. LeBron James. LeBron on about basketball. On so bem 97 million. And a Neymar da Silva 95 million. Tia to Roger Federer. Your ball tennis no. On so mu aje say. Woman nemu na Kevin Durant. On the minimum say on so basketball man. And yet the brand way Durant.
Spell it easy.
DURANT.
Okay.
What about say?
They were born on I found this.
Tom Brady. Tom Brady, Louis Hamilton. One of you did this. I just said,
photographer.
Wait, any Obia, or Alisa, or Jessica Cassia, Conor McGregor, Abranti no Whisker. Okay. Now, Yach be a dano pa, Nakwaku. Abranti, yes, you are what Simu
McGregor,
Abranti,
of a ma, and Sabi.
What's your say?
Hear me. dia magere ko ye puro ni mu gei of a man say ko try ya timu so o ko Bahamas ko je ni kakra na eno so news woman fi de
ga say news
kwaku aya aya photographer pani pa ba ko wa film na ya na yie no na ni fu adaka no na me pese amanfo ehwebi na se na modu fu adaka na da Facebook se amanfo
I say microphone na say
da bi o so no photographer
I say photo no
senior photographer
nti o ma ye say photo no
nti de kwaku hwe wa fu adaka no ade ko fa to ma na amanfo no mo hwebi kwaku anya fu adaka no create true sister bi so awo ma kire ho adwuma ho ya ne se ono nso obo gantra anwumre no akwa kogina mu timbusa se sister no nso se ofiri mu ne epe adaka bi ebe situ na adwuma no a ohwe adaka be na ebetimi design am sister no
me ni ho asem
udi bibi
na de bibia na me ni mo wi asem
ada we say kropi
ba cho momra na momehwe camera na ye dia ye funda
ya o ma ye ne camera pa na mi bisa sister no so ono so bo asawe no na me mwa na ofiri mu ne ye say ya adaka ma no a kwa ku suggest adaka ma no
on be ye mpa na
why there no
ono bo asawe na ono so ayare na ofiri mu say ya na adaka nti o hwa adaka ben
obi oba show some who be ya Mr. last year na ai picture bi over Facebook na a cover pa na ye dick
be ma ye
na ye dua na ma ye
ana ye dey fu adaka man adentina aden no mo oba akoto sa di no
just oba no on fa ni agrogra
sa
o ye ne dwe
emsa na djuma o yo no nti e ba sa no a onyuma bedi wani ndi say yete ha ye
wo dey a microphone
ye bi ada akwa konsu ana microphone ndi ewiase
wo de news readers ntu we nyam microphone
onyuma ene bedi wani ma bedi wachi
so de ko ma send grandpa picture ma one ne wife no hu picture no fato na amanfo hwe ma wonim grandpa no kwaku ewiase nsam do so grandpa bi nim se wonim na so on nam social media so ya wo
one ne nipa yi
ga ne se o chiti enti one na jai
so be ma ni chiti
ya on grandpa no ya
de si yi na yi na mo afo kan bra se really
atiefo se wonim ma na o chiti no a ye ni picture no abeto amamo grandpa ha say
ewiase mo ba
me ba wait o
ya
oba no na akoma be ma fofo afaya na na se
grandpa mo na chiti nti oba so ntimi ne ntina
da bi sa video we na cover an e no krese ni bibi no oba no
yes so woja
nyoma won ho goose won ho papa uska
na oba no so se de oba ni gina so no
yes ntina me bisa say ye no kre
tim so sintawe e oba ni gina so brutal
o ye friend no tantantu
ga no so bonyo say he want to focus on her music career
say o yes on ni be bo enum bi kura ni ade
on grandpa wie so on na wie
so we cheat on her we jano na munye sure say bia when yes can kakra no person jage no guy no wa sheda say what coach it na
me hunum say akura
because we gay pa 10 gram you can't giant person out there get away with it na we shall call we kiti we our tadu hu ya
me hu ya na I didn't believe it say bibi sa cause we go na my father say normal sa omo nyoma ya o Facebook ya no in say na you real
grandpa
wonderful
we dey as akura osi e mo 10,000
ho
obi me say we na say akura wakosi e mo be 10,000 ho so be di na
ono o tibi mi na o ke kaso say no ma wo pita no so ma mo se mu
ba ku na me di ka o be sala kotoa so ho aka mi sima kakra na me kotoa so ha nti
mi ko big agenda
nti mi kure ma me anya yegusua voting no ebe ende
na ma de no mo nya wie
dabi next week na voting no ende nti na mesreti fo no se mo na mo betima to na mo to ni bum se de papa ne kai mo to no bum mo to no bum ho ti ebe ba na je
ka so afo ne
ka so afo dabi me ka so afo mo anjire mo ho to ni bum na amfo ye a eji amudin bo wa ha de ebe bia me mo mudi meji amusa na kaso afọ mesremo a
kaso bo numbers na edibo
numbers na mi ya bai o ade akwa kwahye henini a Many. Any. Can I be? Can I be?
I'm punching the video.
I'm a code no. GM 235. GM 235.
GM.
G capital G.
GM the one where I will lose. GM. Abakunya JM.
Kwame.
To be Dallas 800 star 800 star bium. No about 600. No about hash. Until you so follow abetum krudung. Now they are tum. Obri abo afentem from na. Say bia unhunu ya. And one say number na me de ma. Momo number 0547 330943 0547.
Ah no almost send momo.
Say bi how hu yenti o de ba ya beto. Say de be ya kwaku adena strategic. Ubusa ko bi store be catch no.
Asa na ya mu win no. And me de me win.
O na me kai. I say to. And na za ko. O ma man for vote you ga ka so. O twen ya na ka last week na wakoyi 2000 na ode awon no bude and I'm say award that person we
wakuna am punching one am you fire resistant na
ade
video bi twagu of
this is not the first way videos be bre aba enema si jaso hyehyehye so na punchi di punchi de e for mom Facebook close na mehwe hwe eja good and say na say ye jacket o awo ni pa jiran kra be hyehye o
kokonte o
enso hwe omo twahia ho
abetie no moka na omo de manu brother say
kwame hwe apart from omo anu no de brother de senu no wo de hwe say de eja ne dan na omo uyo nipa na ogina ho a hit no you can't stand it to
come dem punch no wo de papa dem punch on punch hwe de say enye akompa me de ja ogina mutia me so
da bi aponche aboy fe na ponche ankasa no oye stubborn
do you depend catch us your punch
catch us your punch masa we are stubborn we dey wa hwe hwe say dey jey dey say pa omu gina ho a che omu nti say jabi kra e show
yes go to no move your kaswa
kaswa punch no
some punch don nti ja
we so be you anu say dey your class we so be you
class aboa no go kaswa bia oboa we nya kaswa punch
kaswa even na punch obetima
sa punch obetima free insumia obetima wo insumia
kwaku na tuntum no na nusim kro wonyi o
anya so o die ni a
boy
is serious o is serious aboa punch anga pa de Charlie some way
you say punch so na me desi o dwan na mu
ba me so dwan na so
am se sa na e ma no so mo so den omo ye desi omo mo so nya den kana mo keka
for ha na this year na ye dey say dem why yes sponsors na and the minimum hwe
ya se sa ma no omo so den tie ko hwe omo tie no wo po mama
udi o ma ye cheze kwa ku ge do ku ge we do no be ku so still
afefe
do that wa ma be di anko
ku pass na odi akire
we are mobile na djuma na den I was young comfort a Kel charcoal toothpaste amount. Where a toothpaste ya did charcoal a ya bidie near the eye. Come pa. Said there can and animal of trouble the trainer and yes, this is why I am a charcoal now at the afrana de choosing. Was our sister neat. And then one manum cigarette animals so a man coffee near the yama that damos sustains almost as soon now. We used to Kel charcoal toothpaste now or the brusher. Nina ebeko boama unya a good fresh breath unya whiter teeth na face so cross and boama ogam no so no I very healthy pa and strong prevents cavity etibomodin apebi a kira kwan na ebeboa obenya bia to shops and stores and supermarkets how do ni na mu do pa no na wahwehwe a Samara Company Limited for kira kwan Kel charcoal toothpaste happy smile Afe Dewa 539 direct and so NIA come for their maui. Thousands of people are winning every day with NLA Dewa 539 direct, the best lotto game in Ghana presently. It is also ujeja on side day also wait me with 5 magic numbers, just 1 to 39 with as little as 2 cities ubet me and yes you can teach the party free NLA Dewa 539 direct emo wobɛtumi abet on 1 direct na we need 20 times your stake. Now bet on 2 direct and so we need 45 times your stake. And I feel so direct 3 no ebema 400 times your bet amount. The more you play, the more you win. Because one found a Jimmy and a little kiosk I would only in across the country. Ebe announce what me a play a dewa 539 direct. Now on sweat me in your sky at the Ashwa Tasso. Or see winning idiot, you choke. Keep more than answer also the whole Ebe Jimmy. Young come for royal drinks them out. Or see you go like him. I know near Ed there. Come from Casapreco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Nanina say a 2 series 50 pesos. Ubenya Royal Cocktail, and now Royal Apple, and now Royal Orange, and now Royal Cola. The dead come pa. Yeah, make sure say a chili now what me on why. Now I didn't more there. Open the door for 0262 351 251. A 0272 133 373. Afe Go TV or say and can't say ne open football papa dia and your bomodia say obe connected on Go TV. What me I enjoy captivating moments. Say La Liga, say Serie A, say Premier League, NBA Canina, yeah they bro. Wait me I connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. Now so who dear Connie dear Ben Go TV, love it. As they do informa in boost herbal mixture. AKA police in Edro no. From the answer man Saka or there. About boy ye pa. Nina say a boy am build a strong immune system. It yari be a bar or system na kasa be fight against yari no na ahoden aba pa. Eno kodan chen e bia na yari bi kra system but onya aware of it. Unya introduce imboost about measure about system no a eno abe locate say yari ni na shini na see fuel system no a free. Kings walk about Kanshi, Okwa Sabe Kabio, Echoes Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, I feel alternative and dependable about shops across the country, and a health alert shop at St. John's, also Benyabi, Samson Little George Health Shop at Tema Community 5, Benyabi, and yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and a 0246 208 496. Abusiagusa wuti Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Na di omu nyina ne say ene no the power of 8 ya kan wa semwa kan che no. Eye Adansi Travel and Tours ene omo edi omo 8th anniversary. Ne senti no ye di nipa bebre na ekwa piem e Dubai. Na makwa jimoni. Ne senti akwantu anka utu ho kan na be kosi beye 10,500 Ghana cedis and now 12,000 and now 13,000 yard. Yatitini nyina so e dia begina 8,000 cedis to represent our 8th anniversary. It is seizes our opportunity and fly with us this August. What you say? You go pim Dubai. Options na doson. Open direct flight to Dubai. Ni ekushemu wa ya GNA. O dia ho you fly on Emirates ya kudu. Yes, answer there. You have another option. Ubetimi fly through Kenya. And only be make stop over at I say away Nairobi. Ya kuchinchimu kakra ya de akojiji ania sani wia later ya twaso to Dubai. And yes, answer another option ho. Say betimi no aborem Ethiopia. And no na chese ye ginam e Addis Ababa. Na ya hwehwe ni so ade kakra ko chinchin ko places kakra ho a. Asa later ya twaso ko pim Dubai. And now the other option you know be room e wo Kigali. What I say beautiful city of Kigali. Say how fe bruta on the emichi. So akwohwehwe places kakra sane wia ya twaso akopiem Dubai. Ye na ekohwemu a ene ani gye ne say ya ye cook chinchin ya ne ade atwetwa pictures actually Dubai a wia akopiem desert no so. Na ni kasam say this trip Adansi Travel ayen hye ama ye de ye duane figa na akọ. Eti desert no so fufuo na ekọ obi ho ne ade abambaku ne grumane ade na ebesu ho. Oh, bed etido fa ho jimbi na yenko na yenko gieni. What they say? Bibia inclusive 8,000 na utua no. It take care of everything. edwa kodwa ba akɔju ani a etimenye agya ho kradwo make say omo ebefia eye 8th you know they call 9 11 ne eno kra de play 9 madada etu pen ho kra na ho kra wunya say dates na aka no from the 12th 19th 15th 22nd 16th and then 23rd of August and only available data aka no kra no limited space na aka etu person ko bi nkwana there the time to do so is now jo twatum sisi a na also watimi aka ho na yenko ne yenko gi ani kakramra why adwuma saa over the years won take break nye say wo home kakra na wo ba bi ku akohwe ni so ade ne ade a du ba bi anu asesem kakra bi 8000 is cancel in yiska on the metri and na the other day make no du ba bi akontu etutu e kwa e bai sometimes we ticket in quad ticket kaka obi akra no yo ebo se den season bi we du mu akontu no so ba bi adu e de kan say wokọ Bakoshona ticket what the obit me ticket be 7,000 and no pay ticket go now we be na all inclusive 8,000 jo enye ja ho enti frɛ na eye na yenko 055 631 0404 fresh number we sisi a na catch up so Jerry say me mutimi aye na ma sharp am sisi a na me so my part of the trip no what I say 055 631 0404 now in booking yes sir just log on to www.adansitravels.com. that is ADANSITRAVELS.com adansitravels.com na yen twauntum na yen nyina yen kopiem Dubai na yen kakra na Nipan series area say but all the same no one lucky listener uti Ofie Kwanso pa na ade no ti Adom FM pa wiki mu a me the competition be hyehyɛ so de obɛbɔ ne ho modern a on na betimi ya pa wini no ono obenya free ticket ono ye de na ko free 8,000 amount for tua na ye de omo akɔ Dubai ono de be ye free na waka me ho na me no ye kosa ne ade a me so oni mi tukwan ade oba fili me mo ani agi bruta ntino ya wada na ye say de nso be si akwafa why but there's good news for small to medium scale business owners and they MTN akofa SME plus ediaba and no boa ma manage all your operational cost in communication. Now, SaaS service where allows you to choose from affordable packages. Now, I enjoy talk time, SMS, data, and a business content, all bundled in one subscription. Now, other exciting news na attach in say unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When you want, just dial *5060# and sign up today. And yes, sir, send the WhatsApp and our friend number we 0244 34 0244 308 111. That's 0244 308 111. For more information, then you stay connected everywhere you go. And no asem and no. And yasem kesibia. Now obeto fuel so ayato higher grade fuel. I know if you goil and only papa ni ye kanfo ediamo bia. Isan say no. Ya twa boase. Edi niema papa shishim. I know boy ye matches a good can more engine no function very well pa. All the superior qualities in that tunche krana yasa 45 no feather with the XP3 additive just no boama we know a multifunctional enhancer I am more efficient may eco-friendly come pa na ye turn at no extra cost a Goil fuel stations name across the country and not selected Goil fuel stations etibomodia o car no engine use na battery fuel ade begum etu de no petrol engine obeto Goil super XP run 95 now de gum o car na diesel engine no ato Goil diesel XP now de gum pa so fill up with Goil higher grade fuels is as a baby Goil good energy Goil ya ye dim ene eguso a ye kanfo e de ama obi bia utwi hyen ko ade a na obobode a amana Goil na bibia so etimi akose de esese eko eno eho enhyehyeye eno no all right ye bekoya nim na enchi bia mami boat betina se na ye de fila atwa so ama mane koso na ya
wawolo Jumia wo homa wankasa mayentie kwabena media metum ne mani nyina na wo Jumia o afei esi
me weekend ne so de Jumia party ana ko
ofo na wo so e me mo ndie efie niema ene mo ka ase niema de kosoma me pa wo Jumia o alaji wo so wo se de me mom de me wa shama na de bia Jumia payment free delivery wangana city pa Jumia wo homa wo de bia hwehwedi obi a wo pe bia e wo Jumia na sie sika pa efie duane e ba fie mu niema phones makeup entire shame ene ne keka ho bobre download the Jumia app na wo deals papa ye wo ma Jumia your everyday delivered.
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Say, dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dodua dance say, and Yarwa ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a hoka. No, you want suing, you know, a boy who buy every home. And now I'm pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and no Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kashi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 84 96. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Boomer drinks. Boomer, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Boomer, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make me set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma Drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Sami sorry no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit go so na me sre a. E yo nwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidi mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so ni yeti center for.
Me dia magical Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me siye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Mo wonum yi gram. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tumo.
Ubedi Lotto wa Ghana Padia and one they were 539 direct. The best Lotto game in Ghana. You will hear say Ubenya 5 solid magic numbers. A free bako equals 39.
Wow! Our friend winning no each.
So Abraham Edino, what the 2 Ghana cities pay and a 2 you. And to also call star 446 hash across all networks. Ultra direct one. Ubedi 20 times Sika would try. Ultra direct 2. Ubedi 45 times Sika would try. And a direct train so Ebema the 400 times. Wait me a try. They were 539 direct. I was selected Lotto kiosk. Yeah. Wagana Fanana. Winning no each joke. Kwame so energy. Winning no the talk ampa. They were 539 direct.
Winning no each
Wawolo Jumia wo homa wankasa mayentie kwabena media metum ne mani nyina na wo Jumia o afei esi
me weekend ne so de Jumia party ana ko
ofo na wo so e me mo ndie efie niema ene mo ka ase niema de customer me pa wo Jumia o alaji wo so wo se de me mo ndie me wa shama na de bia Jumia payment free delivery wangana city pa Jumia wo homa wo de bia hwehwedi obi a wo pe bia e wo Jumia na sie sika pa efie duane e ba fie mu niema phones makeup entire shame ene ne keka ho bobre download the Jumia app na wo deals papa ye wo ma Jumia your everyday delivered.
for so I say Emma yede Euro 2020 jumedin ebremo Betway for the love of the game. Yedama say after Savannah Paint from Isaiah Group since 1921. We all go Queenson. Monsieur Adama say my idea do.
Because Adama say Nivea Men deep range of products. Nivea Men, be prepared for anything. It starts with you. MTN, everywhere you go, we're there for you.
Club Premium Lager Beer, brewed with the spirit of Charlie since 1931. CD Low Price Masters, affordable and durable electrical home appliances.
TPS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Allianz Life Insurance, we secure your future.
Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Magdan Group Limited, providing cutting-edge business solutions to clients.
Jamaso, your partner for clean clothes. 2021 population and housing census. You count, get counted.
Ayo, send with care. Ayo, because you care. HD Plus, Philly experience.
Alaska Star Enterprise, your headquarters of quality and affordable workplace and blind curtains.
Dr. Caesar Lina Energy Tea, Adabido, away. Dr. Amuzu Herbal Center, the pennies doctor.
Oje ko iswolo.
Inzina ololoto.
Minamachio.
Oh, Marino, boss.
Say dear, one no pa Vodafone so aye de. Vodafone good morning bundle atede. Good morning bundle ma come out free Vodafone number bia pe abrayento. Afey sancho 5 minutes ultimate the friend network fufuro bia. So ya send 500 megabyte data. MP so ma. Send so say Vodafone good morning ye adwuma wo Vodafone bundle bia so. Kan ho na fresh short code 543 na dial *543 hash na fa ho timu bi. One Ghana city. Now with them Vodafone good morning bundle so. It's a kakra down.
Vodafone, together we can.
Amanfo enoma pi wo ho a ebema wani agye Ghana ho.
Many Jimmy drive ho. Yes, Obana.
Meko. Jack Ghana bosso. Afei, akadie baako. Manchi Mill Shortcake. Sisi aye yeno Ghana. Ya dia. Fenijie manchi why. Adwadi enkrato ye FD ahwehwe magye atom. Capsule yeah. I'm a for you capsule for my way. Say yes to pana wanna way. My house actually and I wanna be na
Capsule wa hodi mensa 3 in 1 power. Ema hunam yaw ni bepu ho extra no ankasa saint tata. Ibu kapo paracetamol. Cafe na ibuprofen sen no miensa na aka bom ho pe ha. Sans kato yaw dia. Yaw ana malaria sanchre ni bi yi no ho adi wo ni padua mu asa. Eno ani se obefa ibu ka. Hunam be yaw kama ho ato one time. Ibu kapo ekra 3 in 1 power. To yaw dia. Say to want to wa hu Dr. Shalina Healthcare Limited Ghana. And ebo ibu kapo de. FD ahwehwe say dwedi nkrato imaja to mu say ye.
We know the dream is big. We know the passion gets you going, and you have the potential to make great strides. The Chartered Institute of Marketing, Ghana, has always been an avid supporter of industry excellence and innovation. This is why we are excited to announce the CIMG Professional Marketing Qualifications. CIMG has designed practical courses to help you make that dream a reality right here in Ghana. We are geared up and ready to support you on this journey to becoming a world-class professional marketer. Register today and be on your way to greatness. For more information, call us on 055-274-6592. Visit our website, www.cimghana.org, or email us on info@cimghana.org. Chartered Institute of Marketing Ghana, working for Ghana.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh, watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Abra Yeguswa din kabom ekwetia COVID-19 yi. Ecobank ema wa kwanya hodwa. Wodi betina fie. Abon ho ban na watumi di usikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa Ecobank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo Ecobank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so fama ne sika. To credit, tia wo bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika pudo na oni ye didra. For your internet banking no so. Ecobank QR code ma wo kwan ma wo fa abefo siketua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadie Waka won fasika potin entua twe Ecobank mobile eneya wo Google Play Store, App Store, ana your Facebook page, ana bo star 770 hash. E wo phone bia so na chance didwa. Ecobank dwene ho kai sa obema kwan ada oni afoforo ntem. E ya ta hohoro nsa e na afei emfa won nsa nkeke wanim.
So here mo bia for Ecobank contact center e was 0800-003225. I want you hwe. Ana from e was 0302-213-999. Abrebia Debia.
Snefira bo ho ban. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank.
Oh ma, pachomenya milk kakra mi Milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Gabi na sme hu Saudi biegumu.
Hey, ka wanu hwan sana we bisame.
Hey, milk na chum say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one and milk bebe wo dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra. No ati nwani nomu de cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebra ye de sachet ba komu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA dreading cratoi atumu.
Hey, me network imba fiame. E wose me di mobile money. Tua me wo fa workers car. Nanso charges nko 380 cedis. Wo send sika nko ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so. Me ni atie. Se wo be move ko Vodafone cash and ka wo be save sika bebre. Vodafone cash. Na se me network ne die. Tie. Wo send sika wo sawo network no so no. Yetew. Wo send sika free wo network no so. Akwa network foforo no. Eno so yetew. Na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send sika wo Vodafone cash swa e free. Wo send sika free Vodafone cash. I got network bia swa. Eno so ye free. Masa inti wa catch rem. What so ye den was sawo network no so. Move bra Vodafone cash se. Hey, masa leadership na to bola musisi a. Ani o say dia. Wo send sika wo Vodafone cash so. I got network bia swa e ye free. Send sika do bia. Emprendo do bia. Got network bia so free. Dial star 110 hash se in the send sika.
Alandia Eva Peo, she said was sorry, na shed a foot for ye. I say, ebe to me a nyama, baby, amawo. Alandia Eva milk, what will make you feel like wow?
Anopabia, num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Jim FM.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Snake and a glass, Mina Wamaya when the madame was on and now. Or sitting and the Munso Munanity. Or baby who was on the Dinkuni. Meeting Hoda, Yamiti me. When she ran me, man, I brought me so. I had a hint to the other day, Baba. Nemum the animal so bad. Madame for Pamela will see at a friend and the dear, what you mean away. They said they hint to the other day, Baba. That's what the animal so bad. Madame for Pamela will see at a friend and the dear, what you mean away. At a phone, me down phone today, and I could be a one out in that final one. Hey, out in that final one, if I be day, out in that final one. Lord, out in that final one. Hey, out in that final one, if I be day, out in that final one. Out in that final one. So let me down for me. Oh, one of them, I'm guessing I won't do me.
Kwame Eugene. Show body. Show body. It's true. I bet you need a boom boom. You're only outside of the game. Boom boom. Thank you for your hand, Juliana. Thank you for your hand, Mariana. Thank you for your hand, Juliana. Thank you for your hand, Mariana. And now you for move like a happy birthday. Make us speak Japanese. We would like to say a happy birthday to Shadrach Kofi Ansa. Seen that before? Of Agazi Limited, Tema Community 25. From the entire Central University ALB graduating class of 2021. We say, may your blessings be more. So talk better make a feel. Make a get to step in the family. I get busy. Wait now. I'm just playing a small play. You want to... Good evening, Jerry. Please wish my second daughter, Mary Ann Davidson, a happy birthday for me. She's 18 years old today. The message here says, may the will of the Almighty God be done in her life as she celebrates her birthday today. From the dad, Alan Davidson, and the entire family. Greetings, Jerry. One of your fans is celebrating the birthday today. The name is Prince Owusu, aka Darun, son of Madame Beatrice Kwachi. May the good Lord bless him. Wefi Kwekunchen, or the Fia Sarah Foods or Tema. Oh, my baby shaky, get a poto, my baby. Newtown. Poto, my baby shaky, baby. Okay, so yeah, rem na yedi fila atwasoniako, but also yesterday was the 74th birthday of Professor Kofi Anyidoho, my father, whose voice is deadlier than the gun. I bless God for his life and his voice. Fufunye, may Mau the same Kitikata who gave the due of years to raise your beard of the heart, of the heat of youth. Pad your footings. We honor you. I celebrate you, living grandmaster of word. Nana Sasi greet you. Okay, you. No, so no. Unso mono de sa anwen sem fu you. Omo try de na o kan na wanya wada. Wara waso be shi. Also Jerry, today is the birthday of my lovely little sister, architect Tabitha Ama Dakoa Dua Oyinka. May Ura Christo increase you on every side. Much love for me, from me, Mama Adepa and the boys to you. That's Bishop Ejapia, Rabbi, and then Dompre. Jerry, my uncle, that's H.E. Samuel Kwame Eduse Poku. Would have been 90 years today. May the good Lord keep him safe in his ancestral seat. Be well. Hey, Charlie. Hey, last one I cried him. Hey, time no air boot here, so I know yes I cry now because my boot at trans my boot. Brajery, Muhunya fine, Minya fine, because enough of my time. Fatcher me na and you near me dinner. San you come also and come on so many John Pine, but today, yeah, friendly, and then come on, and the baby. We can mean cheer some George. I mean cheer some George, some George, we can be Adom. Hey, you trained everywhere, baby. It's honorable.
trending Ghana, not trending international.
Because we can be mayor who papa build a bars upon bars.
Yes.
Obey kiss the Some George.
I feel I'm on fire. No. Otimi fire na me train say ebia. Another one be few was about you must have fina. Other side why you do yes, I come.
Now, Roger, Obi wonder Nkoma Yerizi, but answer na menyo beche some George na some nehu. Ma menyo ka Grand P na some no. Because Grand P na some no I am ho kakra asasa. I am ho pa Grand P the one you dey you.
Yeah.
Now you dogs here. Eh, the more fire. Oh, no, obi be said that Gampina you dogs here or one into no je call for who come.
But your mom Facebook, na mo be hu komo na ye di na mo be te ase some more. What you say? Etibra Adom 106.3 from on Facebook.
Exactly.
Check out the pictures. I can story na I can na what you say.
You dogs here no or ya Ivorian. Ne rabe e hwe ne hip. Zo gunchen.
Gani dey shape the ofan kwa. Shape the ofan kwa. O woni ma o. Nyame nsa no nyuma ni bi ehu o. Hey. Uza o shatade a wan hwa be ka se bia radio de nyama bi a hwehwe but o hwe bikini pa na hu se oba ta so
osododo is osododo mama osododo
get no one ma brutal
na Gampino nampana nye you dogs ya na mpano anyi na hyehywa na anapedi ye hu the sister bocho ato no the sister lawyer single oya single nto ya anya sister no onyo obi a wo say mama you careful because you nyim there any Grampi or na yakosho mu no
edi patro mo am Facebook no wo de hwe eto na ejina on ne o hwe grandpa ojina on wo de mo am hwe ade
wo de hwe conversation about eto no because
okay wo de hwe body no wo de hwe body ni na ne ade
for Grampi sa Grampi o
just again no bibia ni wa woni bi
Grampi san only cheat
from head to toe bibia
na Grampi
and if you have all this in a woman now coach team here so the na say
Grampi wayaze but you about to toss you those here don't come back
no
very necessary on come back
untimi kan kire no come back sir
Roger is
na ye de atie for dem mo am mehwa de wo Facebook ye de ade anti say ya ma wo se hwe so a me kan ade nso
na me ya
dabi ade nso omo am pa de de ayaduma a omunya now when you there because of cash into on ka deserve you
don't say baba back malebu penyin man me shake lem da most
no o de hwe for asama me kan se mo ne me nya adwen o de mo am Facebook da mo am hwa de ejina hoyi na money
meet
enye se sika samo a etu de o wa
kan you pa anko enyi pa preko
na me ka se
preko
we ayese ekura wakosi emore be 5,000 so
menjen todo the master no I'm sorry
but you see
I'm sorry
asam na ye kan see munya sure say gay adwuma no wahyeha mama yi na yi no because hwe gay kura betimi ni another gay bi ahye da hyehyɛ ho aya anaka akoya kochiti no wache no de agina so agya no
on behalf of Grampi you don't say any unjai
because
but there are some na kan asam na no kan get na why the moboni
me sure again betimi aya akopɛ oba bi amanska ahye da ya se ene ne me yi ana ade no ho nte
Grampi no so anya ze brajeri o se dey shine your eyes o se dey tumi em wonu wada ho
uni ko opon se dey ogina wo ya wa kitikiti o finish so amasa se dey nanu mu yehunu awurade fan bone cheme but abawo God forgive me but osrea Jesus
brajeri
na on that day Lord forgive me time as me for
brajeri ma so do for the chawas more of the conversation I am to do me page do sister mama boatma on Instagram on Facebook brajeri ma so do my after story now
it's check out time your coffee your fast that can say my Vodafone Yes, Vodafone say you can't say or the good morning offer. Now you can have an even greater morning with the Vodafone Good Morning offer. The Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers plus 5 minutes of talk time to other networks and 500 MB data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. Abusuya do yes so the anwume no nsia kase ebo ato aso kaso me on eba na on ABY e de anwume no nsia kase ebo eto ayen so the friend Jerry Justice assembly ba ko pass always we share unua na wa share na wa sere akere no is an see we asimo nipa ensehwe. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening.